In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to keep your Outlook status active. We'll walk through the exact clicks to get to your status, explain how it works across Microsoft apps, and share a couple of simple habits to help you stay visible when you need to. Start by opening your browser and heading to Microsoft.com. On the homepage, look for the All Microsoft link. This opens the list of Microsoft apps and services. From there, select Outlook. If you're not already signed in, click Sign in and log in with your work or school account so your apps are connected. Once Outlook is open, it's important to understand that your presence or status is actually managed through Microsoft Teams across your Microsoft 365 account. So next, click Teams. You can get to Teams from the app launcher or the same All Microsoft menu you used a moment ago. When Teams loads, go to your profile icon in the top right corner. This is where your current status appears. Make sure your status is set to available or active. If it shows anything else, change it to available so others see that you're online. Now, here's the key part. If there's no mouse or keyboard activity for a short time, your status will automatically switch to away. This is by design and helps coworkers understand whether you're at your desk. Outlook cannot override this behavior. Even if Outlook is open, inactivity on your device will move you to away after a while. To help maintain an active status during times when you're available but not constantly typing, keep Outlook open or pinned so it's easy to return to and stays top of mind. Some people also keep Teams open alongside Outlook since Teams is what controls your presence. If you need to stay visible for a brief period, you can occasionally move your mouse or interact with your keyboard every several minutes to signal that you're still present. Remember, your status reflects your activity across Microsoft 365, and Teams is the authority for that presence. By signing in, confirming your status in Teams, keeping your essential apps open, and giving your device a small nudge from time to time, you'll stay listed as available when you truly are. That's it for today's walkthrough on how to keep your Outlook status active. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.